Right, hello guys. Seeing as we have a couple of issues with people registering and logging on to the LabTods website, I thought I'd do a quick, I'm going to see if this works, fingers crossed, but we're just going to go through it together. So very basically, I've gone on to labtots.com at the top, and you should get this really funky website. All the information, blah, 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 is beyond there. But if you're registering for the first time, and you're a learner, so you're going in to be a consumer of the education. If we go in and we click register, you're going to put your username, you'll see mine, all of the little things, accounts that I've got in here, and your email address, and you're going to select the user type down here, which will be learner, and that will create a learner account. You create your password, you confirm your password. Obviously, like everything nowadays, we have to agree to the terms and conditions, all of which can be seen if you click on either of those icons, and then just register. You should then receive an email that confirms your registration details. Once you've done that, you can then log in to the system. Now, for me, I'm going to go in as my Mitchell Learner status, and you go and log in. Then you'll come back, but you'll see in the top side here, the top right, you've got your My Account. And access to there is your dashboard, your profile. You can see your courses and your events, or you can log out. Right, so once you've logged in, you'll come to this screen. Now, before you can purchase any courses or register for any live events, you'll need to complete your profile. So that one down is on your dashboard on the left. If you click on that, it will expand and you have your profile as the adult learner, and then you have this option to add child. So if we go into edit profile, you should then come up with this information. So you'll have your details. So enter your first name here, last name, email address that you've registered in should already be populated. Date of birth, we only ask this so that we can make sure that you are an adult and you have got permission. So obviously we want to keep that, and from safeguarding perspective, your address, the country of residence, and your mobile number. You don't have to worry about, obviously we then must click save. Great. You don't have to worry about payment details or change password, because that's something that's really important for your educator status, but you're a learner, so we don't have to worry about that. Okay, so once you've clicked saved, that's brilliant. You'll also then need to go and add your child. Now, this is for every single child that you have that you think might want to be on the LabTots system, or everybody that you're thinking about booking. And then we just add the child's details. Now, this is really for, again, safeguarding perspective. So when we go to the live events, it means that we can ask whether you consent to your child being filmed. We've obviously got the in case of emergency contact details, which come through on the class registers for any live event here. So once you've filled out that, you click add child. Obviously, if you haven't filled it in, it will come back here with bits that you need to fill in. But then that should all be populated. Once you've completed that and you have your My Profile and you have every child added, you should then have no problems going on to the selection of live events or courses, selecting the one that you would like to join. So say, for example, we click on this one, we click book now. It should then say enroll or book now. Obviously, I haven't done my profile, so it's asking me to edit profile. But then if you have done that, it should send you through to the payment details, and then you follow the prompts on screen. Right, if you have accurately done your profile, then when you've selected the session that you'd like to join, you click on enroll and book now. It will then bring up everybody attributed to your profile. So at the moment, I only have a parent profile, but that's not a problem. If you have children added as well, these individuals will appear in this screen. You then select by just clicking on the learner that you want to book onto the system. It will then ask if you've got any medical conditions, medications or allergies. If you haven't, then that's fine. Again, obviously that's brilliant that you haven't, but if you do, then this is something that you will want to select yes. It will then bring down, again, this is for a safe running of the sessions and this is only for live events. If you're booking onto a course, the courses won't ask for that because, again, the instructor will not need to know because it will be remote learning. So type in anything that you have, So I'm just going to put allergy there, and you click process. This will then add to your shopping cart. Anything that you've got in your cart will register there. If there's anything on there that you think, oh, don't need that anymore, you can just delete that. It will then show you the total that you need to pay. As you can see there, it gives a breakdown of the fees. It's asking you whether you want to do a business purchase or a personal purchase. That's really just for VAT regulations. And check to say that you've read the terms and conditions, which you can select there if you want to look at them, obviously. And then you just check out. If you check out and you haven't selected it, it's going to ask. So we're going to go personal. We're going to check yes. We're going to check out, and then it will bring you to the Stripe page, which again, you just fill out and then you're booked on. Job done.